Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to share invite link on Octa. To share your invite link to your friends on Octa, first of all, open up your Octa application on your mobile device and log into your account first. From the main homepage, tap the More button at the bottom right corner to open up this interface. Now click on your referral links. And on the next page, you will be able to see an automatically generated invitation link. Tap on the copy button right next to the link and you can then share this invitation link via any social media platforms, email, or other preferred communication methods. You can also tap the share link button and choose a contact right away that you want to share this referral link with. Right after you do that, for each friend who registers using your link and start trading, you will earn $1 for every standard lot they trade. Your friend will also receive 100% deposit bonus on their first deposit. And that is how you will be able to share an invite link on Octa Trading app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.